welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some quick and easy ratchet donuts. You guys, I know I look extra ratchet, but this inspired look is inspired by my ratchet donuts today. So what you're going to need is the original Pillsbury Grands biscuits. What are y'all staring at? I have an audience today, guys, so I'm getting a little shy. And then you want to open them up and pop those hoes open. Okay, so you're just gonna want to get them nice and straight, like so. And then you're gonna want to get some oil into a pan, any oil, doesn't matter. I'm using vegetable oil here, and I used about from here down. So I want to say about good 4 cups or so. And I put it into this thin pan here. And I'm gonna fry them up just like that. Okay, to cut the donut holes, honestly, you can use any round little object you got, but like I said, shortcut donuts here. Today we're gonna go Mexican style, a little bit ghetto, a little bit ratchet, so we're gonna use a Coke bottle top. So you're just gonna wanna place it in the middle, push it down. Push it down, push it through. So until it flops off. So you got your donut hole, and you got your donut with the hole. So we got all of our donut holes and donuts done. Now I'm just gonna wash my hands really quick, and then we're gonna check if the oil is ready. Right now I have it at a low heat just because I wanted to do this first, so I didn't want it to get way too hot. So you're just gonna get any wooden object or something, you're gonna put it right in the middle. There ain't no bubbles. If you see bubbles around the spoon, that means it's ready. So I'm gonna put mine to a medium heat now, and I'm gonna wait for it to heat up properly. Okay, so it's starting to get the bubbles now, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on frying the donuts. So you're just gonna get your donut and you're just gonna place it into the oil. So now the oil is ready, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our donut in. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. So right now the oil is at a medium-high heat. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of lift them. Oh my god, yes. So I've never done this before, you guys, so I'm a little excited. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these hoes. Oh snap. Flip them. Ay, maybe not that one. Oh yes, girl. Oh snap. Girl. Okay, so this one we're gonna turn, this one we're gonna put kind of towards the middle. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for these donuts to finish, you need to get your topping, coating, whatever it may be, ready to go. So I am going to do sugar donuts, and I don't know, your girl might come up with something. For right now, sugar donuts and sugar cinnamon donuts. So get yourself a couple of plates and stuff like that, so that way you can toss them. So give me 1 second, let me get that. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna use this for the sugar donuts and imperial sugar. So you're gonna want to pour in a good amount, y'all. Don't be stingy with your sugar or whatever. My mom's gonna get so mad. She's gonna be like, girl, did you really just waste all that sugar? Yes, girl. Okay, so you're gonna want to even it out. And let's go check on our donuts. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty sure these are ready to turn. Wait. Okay, so this one a little extra crispy or whatever, but that's okay. That one was over there dancing. I saw that. Okay, so these little hoes, you're gonna want to get your sugar ready because these are trying to get extra crispy on me. We're gonna take them out and you're just gonna flop them in there. We're gonna shimmy and shake. Bye. Wait, Mickey. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna get our little donut holes and we're gonna pop those holes right in there. I'm scared. And these, make sure to keep a good eye on because they're so small. They're gonna cook really quickly. Okay, so I just put a bit of cinnamon in here and then we're gonna toss these in there. Not an exact measurement of cinnamon, just to where instead of the sugar looking tan, instead of the sugar looking white, it's gonna look tan. Like so. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna experiment with a lime glaze. I'm gonna use the cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna use about 4 tablespoons of the cinnamon sugar and about 4 limes and some cornstarch, and we're gonna see how that works. 1 second. Okay, you guys, now that I have found all my cuts and squeezed all 4 lemons, we're gonna add about, what did I say? I don't know, but we're gonna go with 4 tablespoons, 4 big old tablespoons of the cinnamon sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then of cornstarch, you're gonna want to do about half a tablespoon. What the heck? Now you're just gonna want to mix. And now, because I'm experimenting or whatever, we're gonna cook it for just a little bit, see what happens. Okay, you guys, now that it's nice and thick, we're gonna go ahead and grab one of the donuts that I haven't coated yet, and then just coat that hole. See? Wait. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today for our shortcut ratchet style donuts. Now all that's left is to try them. So we got a cinnamon sugar one. They taste like donuts from Mexico. Regular sugar one. Perfect. And then our lemony glaze one. Wow. You guys got to try this. It's super cheap. All you need to really buy, all you really need to buy is the Pillsbury donut roll, biscuit roll. And then cut out the little holes, like I said, with anything you got around the house. You could use a bottle cap of a soda or anything like that, you guys. But honestly, they came out so good. First time experimenting with that lemon glaze, super easy. Sugar, cinnamon, lemon juice, and some cornstarch will thicken it up once you cook it in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.